Hi friends, welcome to WP Themes channel, a channel dedicated to WordPress themes and plugins. In this video, I have a minimalist WooCommerce WordPress theme. The theme is Famita. The Famita has been developed by Apple Theme. They are elite author, and the theme was developed in 2018. Regular updates for this theme is also being done. So Famita has got 13 plus home pages, and if you are looking for a minimalistic WooCommerce website, then this can be a very good selection for you. And I'm going to give this link in the description of this video. You can choose any of the available demo of this theme. I'll show you one or two demos as well. This is the first demo, and it has got clear and simple look and to the point approach is here. This is second demo, and this is the third one. So all demos are almost same and similar in look, but you can choose any as per your choice and requirement. In this video we are going to install Famita WordPress theme in a fresh installation of WordPress, and we will also see the customization options, theme options in this video only. So let us begin the installation. I have theme pack as well. So in the theme pack, Famita theme pack, I got guides, licensing, samples, Famita child and Famita zip, Famita main theme file and child theme file. We can start the installation now. Go to the themes of WordPress, and I assume you have already installed the latest version of WordPress. Click on add new, upload theme, choose file. Here you need to choose Famita_theme zip, and if you are having direct access on your server, you can upload the same file to the WP content themes folder. This is the path of folder, and both are same activity, don't get confused. So either you can upload the theme from WordPress panel or directly on the hosting server. I have chosen the second option. To show you the theme size, this is the theme size, and 31.81 MB in size, so it is moderate size, and theme will work fast, of course. And once the progress bar turns green and shows 100, we can go back and extract the uploaded folder, and the extraction outcome is this Famita folder, in which we got all the theme components. Folder and files are here. Now we can delete the zip one. This is just consuming the server space. Come to the theme section again. And now we have Famita as another theme option. Let us check the details. This is Famita version 1.29. Famita is a clean theme. It's use Apple's framework. Okay, activate it now. And upon activation, we got an alert to install necessary plugins. So you can begin installing plugins. And these are the list of plugins required to run this theme. These are required ones and 3 are recommended, but I am installing all to showcase you all the theme features, and I am choosing to install all plugins in one go. But if you are not confident about your server capacity, just install the plugins one by one to avoid any error. And if you are taking on the hosting from WP Themes, I'm giving you the link of my website where you can all get all these things. You'll get the same server capacity, so just rest assured about the theme pack and the hosting plans. You are going to get the best. And now activate all the installed plugins. Now we have installed all plugins and theme itself. Just refresh this page. It may require a basic setup of WP WooCommerce setup, and if you just encountered this screen, just delete the portion and come to the OK. It's a login. Okay, so we have to complete the WooCommerce installation with putting with the basic details. I'm putting the sample data. You just put the original one as applicable for you. Here you need to choose Famita. Continue with my active theme. No need to install Jetpack at this stage. We can install this on later stage. And now we have installed and completed the setup of WooCommerce as well. Now we can check our website how it looks with the theme and plugins. And this is the basic look of Famita without any demo content in fact. So at this stage we definitely need to install demo content, import demo options. I'm just looking where it can be done, and in the tool section there is an option Apps demo import. I'll also show you the theme options. So first let us complete the demo and choose a demo. It is, since multiple demos are here, so you can choose out of any 1 to 10 you can install in one go, or either 11, 12 or 13. I'm choosing the first one and click here to import demo data. Okay, so import process is initiated now, and it will definitely take about 10 minutes as it has been written here. So just be on this page, don't try to refresh or leave this page, and don't initiate the process again. It can bring duplicate data. Just wait and let the process be completed. You'll reach on this screen once the demo content import process gets complete. So now, since the demo has been imported, we can check our website again, and it is showing some attachment page. Let me go on home page only, and I assume we need to set the home page as it has been said. Other home page. Let us check the pages first, what pages we got. So nothing is hidden in my videos, so everything is here on the screen. Okay, so it needs login again, and the pages what we got, let us check. So we got multiple pages. So home page 1 to 10 is here only, so not a worry, we can check it now. homepage 1. Yes, it is here. So we have completed the installation, and as is seen in the other theme by WordPress theme, they don't provide the product images, so and that is actually not required. After all, we are going to use our own image and the website is ready. Product images are not given in the demo, this is why it is not being displayed here, and rest of things are fine. So slider images was available, and this is the number of home pages what we got in the demo. Let us check randomly, and I'll also set the home page 1 as the main home page. Okay, so this is parallax home page. Okay, that is good. This one is good. If you like this, you can definitely choose any home page as your main home page. All are available. And in this, okay, so this is on the developer website. I found this link, and I need to go on our website only. And we can check the home parallax. Oh, it is going to the developer website, as I can check here. So from inside we can go check what home we got, and this is home 3, and I'll show you another one or two. Let us check home 7, and yes, it is here. So just next stage you just need to put your original content, and rest of things are okay. And now I'll show you the theme options and the basic customization options. So theme options are here, and let us check another what we got. Another things, footer builder is here, mega menu profiles here, Apple's testimonials, and rest of things are common. And this theme uses a Redux framework, that is fine. So let us check the theme options. And these are the theme options available with the theme. This is general setting, and header, logo can be uploaded from here, footer, blog post archive, and shop setting, and rest of these settings are here to control your website. Now we can check how. Okay, let me set the home page first. So go to the appearance, customize, and these are the settings already we have seen in the theme options. So home page setting is here, a static page, select, and you can select any home page. I just selected home 1. So it is set now. Let us check the customization option. Go to the site now, and home page is set, so we can open the site. Yes, this is home page, and just click on open the page, whichever you want to edit, and just click on this button, edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. The editing option will be enabled, and the front end editor is loading up. So you can use even backend editor, that is more good for you. And in the front end editor or backend editor, there is pencil icon everywhere. So simply click on pencil icon, whatever you want to edit, and you can simply edit the chosen feeds. So it is not a matter of big technical deal, and you can simply edit anything. And I will rather recommend you to use backend editor. Backend editor is, in my perspective, it is more easy to use. So these are the options. You can see, you can choose to edit or remove or add anything as you want, and the website will be ready with these options. And everything is fine. So if you have any question regarding this theme and installation process and whatever, you may face any difficulty, so just don't hesitate to write me and get in touch with me in the comment section of this video. And I am also giving the link of my website where you can start a discussion with me, and the community help is also available there, and you can get theme and hosting as well. So everything is ready for you. You just need to start, and you'll get a wonderful website with this theme. And I assume you have already subscribed this channel. If not, just ring the bell and subscribe the channel. I'm going to bring wonderful themes, plugin and utilities for you. Thank you.